Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook page for your business. It's super simple today. It'll probably take about 30 seconds. So you're going to open up your Facebook profile and you're going to click on create and you're going to click on page. Then you can choose business or brand or public figure. If you're making one for your business, obviously you're going to pick business. So here we want to put the name of your company. So we're going to put Joe's Marketing. I'm a marketing company, but I already have one for my name. So choose a category. We're going to go marketing agency. Then we'll put in the address. 123 Easy Street, Pole, Iowa. Put in that. I already have one at my other address. I'm like, alright. That's my old phone number. But since it's optional, well, autofill's messing me up here. Goes marketing. So we're going to click here. And then it's going to ask me to add pictures. So a profile picture is going to be the one over here. We'll skip that for now. And it's going to ask me to add a cover photo. So just choose 2 photos of your business signs or of your trucks or something like that. So then you just upload that. You skip that. Let's see. Then you can, if you book appointments online, you can do that. But there's your page. So then you can start adding posts. So as you finish a job, or as we go through the holidays, as we go through different holidays, you can post your specials on there. It's just another way to get your business found. One example of why you'd want a Facebook page out here is because if I type in grocery near me, Whole Food Center shows up. So yeah, hope that helps you get your business out there just a little bit more. Thanks for watching.